Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time clicking on my video, hi, thank you for clicking on. My name is Brooke. I make coffee videos and vlogs and random videos. This whole channel is my life. So we're kind of all over the place, but I'm trying to post a coffee video at least once a week. That's my goal for this year. A little ambitious because I don't know that I'm that creative to continue to make these, but I'm gonna do my best to try. So yes, all that being said, today we are going to make a cookie butter iced latte, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the cookie butter syrup from scratch, which is really easy. It sounds kind of intimidating. It's not. All you're going to need is brown sugar, cookie butter, either Biscoff one, or I use the Trader Joe's one because it's easier to get and it's consistently in stock, and then a vanilla extract and a little bit of salt and water. Seriously, it's not that hard. I know it sounds kind of intimidating. I feel like before I started making coffee syrups, the thought of making a syrup sounds hard and I would rather just buy it, but it's so much easier. And once you get the hang of doing it in the habit of starting to make them at home, it's a lot easier to do. And it's made with good ingredients, no preservatives. But yeah, with all that being said, let's get into making the syrup and we can assemble this latte. Today, I'm going to be assembling it in a martini glass. Is it a martini or is this this is a martini. I was like, is it a margarita? But I think a margarita glass is bigger. Why? Because we can. Okay? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, once you have the syrup made, it is gonna thicken up once you put it in the fridge. I forgot to mention that, but the syrup stays good in the fridge for 2 weeks, and the texture of it's gonna get a bit thicker as it sits in the fridge. Right now, mine's a little thinner because I just made it for the video, but to start with, we are gonna take 15 milliliters of the syrup. And we're gonna brew the espresso directly on top of the syrup. The espresso's gonna sit here for a second because I kind of want to make the cup look cute, but it's not gonna die, like the shot's not gonna die. If you're worried about your espresso shot dying, if you add sugar or like a splash of milk or something to your espresso, it won't die, it won't get bitter. So just in case you're like worried about that, you can, that's a tip, you can always do that. I'm just gonna mix the cookie butter syrup into the espresso to make sure that it's nice and combined. Isn't the spoon so cute? She's so cute. I love her. Now we all know that I like a lot of ice, but with this cup, we obviously can't do that much. I'm gonna pour the espresso, and it's been sitting here for a minute, so to be honest, I don't really think it's too warm anymore anyways. And then we are gonna top her with milk. Now, I understand this isn't a lot of milk, right? Lattes have a lot more milk than this. Girl, pick a different cup, okay? Pick a different cup. She's beauty and she's great. I moved the camera. And again, this cup, it wasn't the smartest choice, but I don't care. Yeah, she's good. There's coffee all over the floor. This is good. Damn. I hope you guys enjoyed the aesthetic of this cup, because this is not practical. I'm making a mess in this kitchen right now. But you know what? Worth it. Worth it. Girl, I almost knocked this whole cup over. Oh my gosh. Don't make it in this cup. I mean, you know what? If you're feeling it, do it, but it's really not the smartest idea. I will say with the cookie butter syrup, the longer you let it sit in the fridge, I personally like it a little more once it's been in the fridge for like a couple hours, because it's thicker and I feel like you can taste the cookie butter more prominently. You can definitely use it right away, but I suggest maybe keeping it in the fridge at least 30 minutes and then using it. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I checked and 73% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and I think that that's kind of rude. So subscribe. It's not gonna hurt you. I'm friendly. I make coffee. Come on. What are you waiting on? Give it a thumbs up while you're there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm silly. But I hope you guys like this little coffee video. Silly little coffee video. I'm just here having fun. And let me know if there's any recipes you guys want to see or anything like that, because I'm happy to try to make them. I am no chef, but I will do my best. Yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year. This year is going to bring all of us lots of fortune and blessings and positive things. I can feel it. All right, have a good day.